You like, holy fuck, that car didn't have a test pipe this whole time?
Yo, Jay, you had to take. Oh yeah, you did have to take the intake out, didn't you? Yo, so we out here.
See how he got in on the inside of these.
So we out here. Purely sponsor me. Let's giddy. We out here. Jason's got a new test pipe about to be put on. So you know, like completely catless. I don't know, Circuit Works, some company. Cause they don't make a lot of ones for these, do they, Jason?
Yeah, shit.
They don't make like a lot of name brands. Don't make this downpipe, do they? Man, he's not even listening. But yeah, so I don't know if you can see the difference. You see how big? There's the big cat. It's huge. It's really restrictive. What'd you just do?
The biggest mouse.
Dude, you're fucking boosting.
That ass.
I'm literally on its head.
Hey, you need to get a cat.
I just need to stop leaving the fucking door open. Anyway.
You need to stop leaving Taco Bell in this bitch.
Dude, they're just fucking packaged. Doesn't matter. So, Jason's putting in this test pipe. Should make it a lot louder. He told me that the rest of his exhaust is pretty much straight, right? For the most part. He's in his own world there. So, that big ass thing is going to come off. He's going to delete the cat. And then this is going to get on. So, it should go well with his intake and his blow-off valve and his cat back exhaust. So, and then we're gonna float it, right? Hell yeah. We about to fucking float that shit. So it shouldn't take too long, right, Jason? You damn near got it off already. So.
Everyone donate to fucking Toaster Bill, because he's broke shit.
No, you know, I can make those stickers. Should I drop stickers to help fund that? That would be dope.
What sticker?
The toaster sticker. Remember the one that I'm having Carmen make?
I know which one you're talking about. Are you talking about the Scatty Patty one?
No, the toaster sticker. I'll tell you about it later, but yeah, I might drop stickers, but and pretty much all the money's gonna go to the toaster. I mean, the toaster stickers are gonna go to the toaster. Yeah, or the Civic. I'll make.
No, a Civic.
Or yeah, a new Civic. We want to get a new Civic.
What I have to do, get all of these off and slide that whole bitch down.
Down?
Off the bottom of the car.
Why? Why can't you pull it up? Is it too big?
Well, yeah, I can pull it up.
Oh, you can pull it up? You don't have to pull it, like, out that way?
I'm going to push it down.
And then you pull it up.
Oh,
okay.
I got a dope-ass thing from YouTube.
What?
Spilled the window.
Oh, shit. Yeah, alright. So, you gotta smash it with a hammer. You gotta, like, break up the little porcelain pieces. Hold on. Where's it at?
That's why it didn't work.
Yeah, you don't whomp a whole So you took a whole spark plug and were just like, mop. Yeah. That's not how it works, bro. You're supposed to take a little porcelain. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this, but this is for what do I say?
Explode Alex McCheeseburger's fucking.
No. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is not for you to go around robbing shit. But yeah, if you break this little porcelain piece off and they come up in chunks, or ceramic or porcelain, I think it is porcelain, and you take one of these little pieces and you throw it out a window, it should break. Ty doesn't believe me. Ty doesn't believe it.
I tried it before and it didn't work.
So we're gonna
take that part out.
We're gonna get a fucking hammer or something. Jason, you got a hammer? Actually, hand me those pliers.
My hammer is back here, grab it.
Come on, Ty. I'm kind of scared. I've never actually done this, but...
Wait, what happened? Does it explode?
Well, there we go. Oh so you see this?
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna take this.
That's the part that explodes the window?
Yeah.
Want me to record you doing this shit?
I got it. Okay, maybe it's too big. Maybe it's too big. Hold on.
How is that small piece will break the window? That makes no sense.
It's apparently a small piece should break the window. Ready?
That makes no sense.
Wait. Okay, so hold on. Is this theory wrong?
Let me see the video. Let me record you.
No, I got it. Oh shit, I accidentally took a picture. Whoa! Yup, it does work. I told you, Ty.
Did it work?
Yeah.
I don't know. Like what?
It worked.
How?
I don't want to do another one. I don't want to make a big mess, but yes. Told you that works. I just wanted to explode one, but...
Dude, I never knew that.
Now I'm kind of pissed that I did that, but oh well. It's just the Civic doors. Who cares? Isn't that crazy? Yeah. But anyway. We're gonna hit you back when this test pipe is done. Jason's on here working. So, oh shit, Jason got the new kicking, boy. Oh, look at that shit. Anyway.
What's the science behind that?
I don't really know. It's just like, it's just a sharp edge, I guess.
A sharp edge?
Yeah.
That's, like, what if I do a knife on it?
I don't know. I don't know. It's small and it went. Fuck it. So we'll hit you. We'll get to you guys when this is done, or not done. On whatever. We'll just update you in a second. My phone dies.
Yeah, bro.
Before my phone dies, Jason just got that shit off. He's about to pop out.
Change the gaskets.
Change the gaskets. My phone's literally on like 2%, but hopefully I can get a video of it. Yes. Gang, no ABS. Oh, that's a shirt I need to make for the Honda.
Yeah. No ABS.
Subscribe to
So when my phone charges, I'll update you guys again. Oh, I didn't even get that on video. What? I don't know. Alright, so Jason decided we cutting this bitch. So I don't think that's wait, is that all you cut? Is that little ass shit is all you cut?
That shit don't cut.
That shit's not cutting shit, dude.
You gotta switch the thing.
What?
The blade? Do you want the bigger blade on that bitch? Look at I don't know if
Metal cutting blade.
there's two metal cutting. They're all metal cutting blades, Jason. Here, Jason. Metal cutoff wheel.
We need Dennis.
Metal cutoff wheel. Do you think this would be better?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna switch it.
There you go.
Alright, do it.
Oh, hurry up, bro. I'm just trying to see if this shit work.
Oh, it's not that loud. I thought it would be louder. That bitch is low-key ignorant. Oh!
You don't need a downpipe.
Yeah.
Bro, I still have to get it out of here regardless of how things go.
Nah, fucking. I'm just kidding.
We could just make a hood dump.
Yeah, it's not happening.
We can make something.
Wait. Oh, no. Oh, my bad. I'm still recording.
Needle noses.
Needle nose. Here we go. Alright, so we under this bitch right now.
Why I gotta make a fucking video?
I do gotta make this shit because people want to see us actually working. People just don't want to see the before and after sometimes. Oh shit, my hands in the shit.
Ow.
So Jason can't get the back three exhaust bolts off the downpipe, so we gotta drop the whole exhaust that this redneck from Casco made. Apparently.
Oh shit, my
Jason
nigga
said.
Daniel. Ah, fuck.
And then Jason's here working on this shit. And then Ty's back there working on the rest of the car. I'll be on this guy's head, like heavily.
Bro, but Daniel be giving, he the one got me the parts for the logo. Though.
True.
No, that nigga a little stupid, man.
But yeah, hey, we're about to update you later because this shit is a bitch. So we pulled the downpipe all the way up to get the bolts out. We had to get both bolts. We were about to cut it, but Jason, you're not about to use this shit anyway, so.
I'm about to sell it to Ron.
Oh yeah, you could sell it to Lazarus. I mean, and then they could repair it. I mean, whatever. Kids can learn that shit, but. Oh damn, Jason.
You about to scratch it?
What the fuck? Oh, you took that bolt out from for the transmission mount, or the thing that holds it to the trans. Okay. Whoa, this one doesn't have it. Look, Jason, that doesn't have that welded on. So I guess you don't need it.
It's on the pipe, bro. It's not on.
Yeah, it's not on that one. So.
It's on this. It's not on the cap.
Okay, so that's weird. Look. Why? Look at that. This is bigger than that. Jason.
Is it?
Oh yeah, look.
Because I will not myself.
I don't know if did you guys see if this downpipe uses an external wastegate?
It just matters where it bolts up at, the bolts.
Yeah, the bolts are the same. Well, I was just saying, like, why would they make it smaller? Anyway, yeah, dude, Bro,
Out here sick, you know.
yeah, we out here fucking dirty as hell in this bitch. Trying to get this downpipe off. This bitch is about to sound ignorant with this. But we had to drop the whole exhaust. Where's that? Yeah.
Soon we'll be working on Honda.
Yeah, we all got Honda builds. We all got
Somebody
Honda
get
builds.
under there and hold the exhaust down.
Wait, you should be good. There you go. You saw the dust come off that shit, old dusty boy. Damn, hey Jason, if you keep flexing that, it bends like this bends because it's a weak point. But yeah, when we get the new bitch in, I'll start
You gotta
recording
hold it
again.
from the other side, though.
Ez is really trying to finesse us, bro. Okay, so we finally got it out. We got it out. Fucking this restrictive ass bullshit. Wow, Mr. Lazarino wanted this just to jug. He's a jug star. I bet you we won't even see it. We won't even see it in the, what do you call? No, I'm kidding. He might use it for demonstration, but he might scrap that bitch for the cashola. Hey, we'll be like, listen, bro. You help us out with one of these whips, and we got you, bro. Catalytic converters, they scrap for quite a bit. I mean, I don't know how much, but 50 a piece? That's pretty dope. I mean, that's like, because if you get heli, people who finesse them bitches for a living would be like, oh yeah, we in business. Let's get that new on there.
Where's my hardware kit at?
That was right there. Oh yeah. Shit. Oh shit, boy. Oh shit, Jason. This is about to be ignorant. What's up? Oh, the old gasket. Yeah, peel that one off too, because there's still one on there. Oh shit. Yeah.
Where do you find that noise?
We'll update later. Yeah, there's RICERs for guns. I hate them.
It's Go Gun RICER.
I mean a little bit, but do it with Dan's doing it. Anyway,
Unless it's
we out here. It's late as shit, boy.
a gun that's rare.
Jason got the test pipe in. My phone died. So we got all his shit back together. It looks way more roomy with that in there.
You the man.
Than that fucker.
Gold AK-47
fucking shit.
crispy.
I mean, that's crispy. I
You the
mean,
man with one of them bitches, bro.
Right, dude. I feel like that's just crispy.
but yeah, we got heli tools everywhere, obviously, and shit. So,
Bitch.
yo, you want to turn it on real quick?
Yeah, start it.
Start it up. Let's hear it.
You want me to start or I'll start it?
Here, I'm gonna go in the back. Let me hear this bitch.
Oh, yeah, I'm about to go back.
Let's hear this bitch.
Wait, what if he overdo it?
What if it sounds ignorantly? Yeah, go ahead.
Wait.
Oh my god, it's loud as. That shit is oh my god!
Blow boy Burt, back in action. About to fuck your mama.
Oh my god! That shit is so ignorant.
Yeah, go do that shit for me. Go do that shit.
Alright. Yo, just hold it.
I
Just
go
hold
do
it.
that shit.
Just
I
hold
go
it.
do that shit. I go do that shit.
I got you.
I'm the fucking man. I'm the fucking man. I did that shit. It shot to flame your line. I did not shoot.
Oh my god, it's fucking ignorant! Feel how. Hit that shit! Hit that shit! Oh yeah! Hit that shit! It's fucking lit, bro. That shit is loud as fuck. Oh my god. Jason. Did I not tell you it would make it a million times louder?
That's just louder than the toaster.
I swear, because it's completely.
Wait, does the toaster have that?
No, the toaster doesn't. The toaster has 2 mufflers. He doesn't have shit.
Okay, bro.
You should do that shit.
Let's hurry.
Holy fuck.
Let's
I
hurry
want to
up.
hear it
Let's
under
turn the fuck
pressure.
up.
Yeah.
Let's hurry the fuck up and let's drive this.
Whole lot of float shit, bro. We about to fucking film some ignorant ass videos. Oh shit! Oh my god, Jason! When you shift, it's gonna be like, whoa! It's gonna be
I'm
insane.
gonna have to plug this up in my car until the iPhone charger.
Yeah, you're gonna have to creep on that
to my
bitch.
girlfriend's house.
Dude, when you fucking let off the gas, it's gonna be like, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. All right, we're about to do this shit. Yeah, give me.
Injectors in your